What's up, everybody? I'm going to be going over my stylescapes for Blueberry Cosmetics today. I hope you guys enjoy it. So for my user one mild stylescape, I first started off by going back to the questionnaire, and the main things that I focused on were kind of like the words that I chose that best describe the brand, and the tagline as well. I think that's what I mainly used a lot, but I kind of went over the whole questionnaire and tried to remember all the information and just some of the main points that I wanted to add to the stylescape. So after I did that, I also brought up my user profiles that I originally created. And I do believe when I did these user profiles, I made a mistake and didn't really do the user profiles correctly. But I still went ahead and completed the assignment with these user profiles. I figured I could still make it work. But for the first user, I kind of just reread the information and just tried to get a better idea, of images that I would like to use to kind of portray her lifestyle, kind of. And so I had wrote down that she cares about the health of her body, uses non-toxic chemicals, that she's an animal lover who despises animal cruelty. She likes to go for morning runs. So I went to the website Unsplash and just started typing in different keywords that I had wrote down for the user profiles, and I found some pretty good pictures, with some hand cream, makeup stuff, like little exercise photos, studying, just to give a nice vibe to it. I think this one came out pretty well. The font that I used here, I decided to go with friendly and inventive. I chose the keywords that were in the questionnaire, and then I used the original photo for the user profile, as well as I have the alphabet with some letters and numbers and all that. So that was my first user profile for the mild version, and now next, it's going to be the user one extreme. And I kind of did the same thing, but I tried to focus more on specific stuff, only women's fitness gym logo, just kind of more little things that I thought were different, that would bring a different vibe and more of an idea of the lifestyle that she lives and all that. So I chose a different picture, kind of athletic girl, just with a nice backgrounds, some makeup products and stuff like that. I kind of kept this one a little bit simple, but I feel like the images kind of like portray the user profile a little bit better. It's I decided to go with the tagline, define beauty, define you. Just add that in there. I thought that would be good to kind of display the text, and then I got the alphabet with the numbers. Next, I went to my second user profile, which was Tanya here. She's a nurse assistant, loves to go out on the weekends and dance, loves high quality makeup, but does not always buy the most expensive brands. She's a hard worker, college degree. She originally wanted to be a veterinarian, so of course she has love for animals and all that. So I went back and gathered that information, and again, same thing. I tried to find some images that matched well. I typed in dancing, and so I kind of got this photo here. I was just trying to find just anything that would fit with her lifestyle, that I had originally wrote about. Just pictures that would fit well. But yeah, my font, the alphabet and all that. This one I kept it pretty simple for this user profile. Then the user 2 extreme here, a different photo, but again, I kind of went through the same process for all of them. using Unsplash to find different photos and just rearrange them how I want. I think the biggest obstacle I had was finding photos that match. I did have to go to Google for some of the photos, and just kind of like the shape of the photos, didn't always fit well. I didn't want them all to be like the same size and just look so plain. So I kind of tried to switch them up on this one and kind of rotate them around and all that, just to give it a different look. But yeah, here, just like a kitten, just to give like that. She loves animals, that vibe, just a dancing environment, and of course the makeup products, cosmetics, and all that. I think this one went pretty well. But those are my 4 stylescapes for my 2 user profiles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what y'all think. If I did anything wrong or anything that I can improve on, that would really help if you share that information with me. Thanks.